Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, stick around. This will take less than 3 minutes to cover. First things first, make sure you have your Coinbase account set up and verified, and that your Arculus wallet is installed on your device with funds ready to receive. Always prioritize security by enabling two-factor authentication on both platforms. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Assets tab and select Tether USDT. You'll see an option for Withdraw. Click that to get started. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, choose the network for your Tether. For Arculus, it's usually Ethereum or Tron based, so double-check which one matches your wallet to avoid any errors. Step 3. Open your Arculus wallet app, go to the Receive section, and generate or copy your Tether address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase withdrawal page to ensure it goes to the right place. Step 4. Enter the amount of Tether you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any fees. Coinbase might charge a small network fee, so review everything before proceeding. Step 5. Hit Confirm and complete any additional verification steps, like 2FA. Once submitted, the transaction will process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Arculus wallet and refresh to confirm the Tether has arrived. If it doesn't show up, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. And there you have it. You're all set to manage your crypto like a pro. Remember, always verify addresses and stay vigilant against scams. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.